According to scientific consensus, space was formed first, followed by the formation of the stars and sun. And later, the Earth came into existence from solar nebula. After the formation of Earth, the volcanoes formed. The Earth cooled down, and water came on Earth from asteroids. And life started forming in the form of vegetative bacteria, or plant-like organisms. And after that, rocky mountain ranges formed to stabilize Earth. And at last animals like cattle and humans appeared, according to fossil records. This exact sequence is also mentioned in Quran. Holy Quran says that God first created heavens, then he created sun and stars for light, and then completed earth for living. And after that, he brought water in the earth and created vegetation and rocky mountains for stabilization. And at last, he created animals and humans. These verses are incredibly accurate, according to modern understanding of fossils, geology, and astronomy.